Time check, it's already 9:15 p.m. in here in the Philippines. Nakatrelya. Pauwi na ako. Ayan, naglalakad lang. Pauwi. Guys, nanood lang ako ng sine, yung French movie na Canada. And then, ang title niya is The Shepherd. Napakagandang movie. I'm still here in Makati City. That's why I'm not afraid to use my cell phone for my vlog. And guess what? Grabe. Free movie, free cocktail, free cocktail dinner. Ang nainom ko is red wine, white wine, juice, and then meron ding mga pulutan like yung mga biscuit lang na masasarap na to satisfy my own stomach. So, uuwi akong busog. Nakakatawa, diba? Naglakad lang ako papuntang Buendia MRT station para tipid sa pamasahe. Alam niyo po, meron promo ngayon si President Bongbong Marcos na lahat na sasakay ng MRT station starting Monday last March 24, 50% off. So, mura lang yung pamasahe ko by MRT station. Kaso, mas mahal sa bus pagdating. Nagtaas na sila ng 5 pesos. Naku, sana matapos na yung gera. Hindi lang naman tayo mga Pilipino ang nagsasuffer, buong mundo naman. So while the world is suffering because of the war, let's think positively and pray to God na sana matapos na yung gulo, matapos na yung gera. Madilim dito. What building is this? Wow. Omnesty Prosperity Tower. Omnesty Prosperity Tower. I'm so grateful because even though I cannot go back to in South Korea for a while, I can still make up the time I've lost without being with my mother. Masaya rin po yan. I'm here now in Makati Avenue. Tatawid na ako. Rojas Street and Senatorville Pulat Avenue. For all you know, I worked here before before I went to South Korea. I was working in the bank, Pasay Bank, a finance company here in Makati City as a accounting clerk. So, I used to travel here in Makati City. So, hindi na ako maliligaw kasi sanay na ako. And I feel safe here in Makati City using my cell phone. Walang snatcher, walang hold-upper, walang mangyayari sa akin masama. And I'm thankful for God. And I'm thankful to God for that. Today, ang daming nangyari. Before, I went to Department of Migrant Welfare, DMW in Ortigas. And then I went to church I attended the Holy Mass in EDSA Shrine. And then I went to Total Swiss to attend the seminar. And then I went to finally here in Alliance Francaise de Manille to watch the free movie, Canada. I'm enjoying my life here in the Philippines because there's a lot of free seminar to uplift your character, to learn something about business, like that one in Quezon City Business Cooperative, Small Business and Cooperative. As of now, I think I have made 30 hours of training already. So, I'm learning a lot for the training. And I'm ready to put up a business of my own. Nakakatuwa because before, when I arrived here in the Philippines, I was depressed, I was hopeless. But because of my brother who is helping me a lot, because of my mother who is encouraging me a lot, who are sending me positive thoughts, I have made my life here in the Philippines more worthwhile and happy. So, and then all my dreams have come true. For example, I miss the Theosophical Society so much because my friends are there, my long-time friends. And every first and third Sunday of the month, I attend the meeting. So we study about the karma, reincarnation, and for all you know, I already enrolled myself in Zen meditation in San Juan, in Ocean Sky. So it's making my spiritual life more enlightened, and I feel relaxed. So I don't think of any material things. Now I only want to be relaxed, contented, worry-free life, because sa totoo lang, I don't have to worry about my son. His tuition fee is sponsored by the Korean businessman. Somebody is paying for his tuition fee. And also my co-workers, my co-churchmate in South Korea is also helping my son to finish his studies. So I only send good thoughts, good motives for my son. no traffic, and then I'm also near in MRT station. Thank you. I'm very near in the MRT station, Bendia. I'm gonna go home now. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I love you all.